Today we're taking a look at this 14-inch tool bag from WORKPRO. Frankly, this thing is awesome. I was not expecting the level of quality that it is. It advertises that it's a high quality, but we're going to compare it to a DeWalt bag here in a minute. And frankly, I would take the WORKPRO over the DeWalt any day. So stick around for that. We're also going to fill it with some tools, so I'll show you just how much it can hold. It's got pockets on the inside and out. It has a total of 7 on the outside, 1 that has a Velcro top, and then 6 slots inside for easy organization. This bag has the wide open mouth design, which means there's a metal rod basically running parallel to the zipper on either side, so it keeps it nice and tight, keeps it nice and firm, and helps protect all of the tools inside your bag. It also makes it really easy to pop open and take everything out. It's a very sturdy bottom. It has a rubber foam bottom. It is designed to protect against falls as well as any sharp objects, and obviously throwing tools in and out of there, keeping things clean. It has an adjustable and removable shoulder strap, so you can throw it over your shoulder or you can take that off and just use it as a carrying bag. Everything from the stitching to the zippers to the padding felt really good and really durable. So no matter what your intent is with this bag, I know for a fact it can probably get the job done. And now we're just gonna throw quite a few tools in there. There's an oscillating drill, we got a rubber hammer, a couple tape measures, hammers, and then we're gonna start just piling in a bunch of tools. And as you can see, this takes and eats up everything that you throw at it. These are really good for the electrician or the plumber or the carpenter in your life, maybe the auto mechanic, the DIYer. I work with a lot of home inspectors that use these. Also great for just the average homeowner so that you can have a small bag to carry around some tools and make it portable if you ever have to go anywhere, friend's house, family member's house, or you don't want to lug around a big toolbox everywhere you go. Really makes for a great alternative. Everything from the stitching to the zippers to the padding felt really good and really durable. Here we're going to compare it to the DeWalt bag, and they have some similarities. There are no inside pockets. There's a couple on the outside, maybe 2 or 3. They're really quite small, can fit a pencil or maybe a few screwdrivers. None of them have a Velcro lid over the top like the one on WORKPRO does. The stitching is a single stitching for the WORKPRO, and it's a double stitching for the DeWalt. However, the WORKPRO seems like it's a much thicker thread that they used. They both have the metal frame and the rod running through them for that wide mouth design. It does feel like the WORKPRO frame is a little bit thinner than the DeWalt. The DeWalt doesn't have the shoulder strap. It can only be used as a carrying bag. As you can see, they're roughly the same size here. I don't know exactly how large my DeWalt bag is. The quality of both of them is comparable, but frankly, the WORKPRO is thicker. It's more durable. The DeWalt feels more like a carrying case than it does an actual tool bag. So if I had to choose between the two, I'm buying the WORKPRO all day. Overall, it just feels like a much better value. You get more pockets, you get more accessories, you get more options for versatility with it. I feel like the polyester is much thicker and more durable. But overall, I highly recommend this WORKPRO tool bag. Give it a shot. I know you won't be disappointed. I really feel that once you open this thing out of the box, you'll feel the value like I do. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a wonderful day.